C2.1.2 ionic bonding. So ionic bonding is when a metal atom reacts with a non-metal atom. There's a transfer of electrons. The electrons from the outer shell of the metal atom transfer to the outer shell of the non-metal atom. So metal atoms, they lose electrons and form positive ions. Non-metals gain electrons and they form negative ions. Different people think about electrons in terms of different ways, but if you consider an electron is worry, when you lose a worry you become positive, but if you gain a worry you become negative. Or if you're in overdraft, if you lose your overdraft your bank balance is positive. If you gain an overdraft your bank balance is negative. Why? Why do ions form? Ions form so the atom can gain a stable electron arrangement. When they've got a stable electron arrangement, that means they're no longer reactive. Remember, there's a group of elements in the periodic table that already have a stable electron arrangement. They're group 0, the noble gases. You've got to have the confidence. You've got to have the confidence to know what ion different atoms form. So let's go through it. If it's in group 1, it will form a +1 ion. So lithium loses an electron to form Li+. Sodium, Na+. Potassium, K+. Magnesium and calcium, they're in group 2 and you'll have come across those. They form a 2+ ion. Then if we look at the other side, we've got group 7, the halogens. They gain an electron to become an ion. So fluorine is F-, chlorine is Cl-, bromine is Br-, and iodine forms an I- ion. Remember the halogens, when they form ions, they're no longer called fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. They become fluoride ion, chloride ion, bromide ion, and iodide ion. This is just a slight name change. The other group that you need to consider knowing about is group 6. So for instance, oxygen. Oxygen gains 2 electrons to form a O2- ion. But just like the halogens, it doesn't become an oxygen ion, it becomes an oxide ion. Make sure you've got the confidence to explain how atoms form ions in ionic compounds.